Amazon video recorder, 4K. Can you say cow dung? Hey guys, Miller Highlights here in my guitar workshop, putting it back on a guitar that I'm building, a dreadnought with a classical neck for myself actually. This one is. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm talking about this piece of dung sold on Amazon called 4K camera. And it's a piece of cow dung. That's all I can say. General quality was actually good. Everything worked. I don't have a complaint on the accessories and the actual quality of the product itself. So I can't give it a thumbs down on that. But it's misadvertised. It does not do what it says it does, which is 4K video. The video in general is very grainy from the start at the ×1 level. And when you zoom in ×16, it just takes that grainy picture, blows it up, and becomes more grainy. So there's no autofocus, there's no image stabilization, nothing of that sort whatsoever. The reason I bought this camera was because it has a nice monitor that you can flip. You can actually look at what you're doing. If I want to show up close, I'm not sitting there guessing where it is on the camera or whatever. So that's my purpose for doing it. And I didn't know what I want, and it looked like it was 4K. Figured, hey, what the heck, I'll try it, save a few bucks. But it looks like I could spend another $100 and get what I really want, and it'll have image stabilization. I mean, GoPro these days, but they don't have the lens. So that's an option. But either way, I could spend another $50-100 and get what I want. I spent, I think, out the door on this about $170 by the time tax was added. And I got to give it a big thumbs down. It's cow dung. 100% cow dung. They advertise 4K. It is not 4K. Maybe technically they can call it 4K because they show that resolution in the menu, but realistically the picture is not 4K. So I mean, you can zoom in. For example, if we try to zoom in on the go bar braces here that I'm doing, it just gets more and more grainy as you go. And if I was to take a let's just say this sanding sealer here. You obviously can't see it from there, and we're going to blow it up. And you might be able to make out the words, but it's not clear. And that's all the way in at 16 by. Okay, and there's no way you're going to read this writing or anything like that. It just takes however clear it was at ×1, blows it up to that same grainy level. So, I mean, to me, that misrepresents the product 100%. I will be returning this today, but I did want to shoot it with that camera so you get an actual real perspective as to the quality of this camera. So, these are under many different names on Amazon. It's the same camera made by the same company, same features and products and accessories and so forth. But you know, every single one of them, if they're like this, cow dung, big thumbs down. Do not get it. If you're getting it just to take general pictures at the ×1 for whatever purpose, fine. But if you're on vacation, you're trying to get pictures of an animal or some scenery or a beautiful mountain, and you zoom in, it's going to be grainy as can be, and it's just be absolute worthless on the purchase. You're much better off with the GoPro for that purpose. So at least it has image stabilization, zoom. It does focus when you zoom in. This does none of that. So it boasts that, but it's real choppy. Bad buy, bad buy. Thumbs down, thumbs down. All right, see there? Thumbs down that product right there. Have a good day.